Okay. Down. No. I said down. No. 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 Down. Okay, good boy. Roll over. No. Sit. Now sit. Move. Nhiều ạ. Move. Go there. Hay là. There. Sit. Sit over there. Okay. Down. Okay, roll over here. Roll over. Hay là roll over. Hay là. Okay. Goodbye. Ding ding goodbye. Bye bye. Oh, oh, you use the feet now. Oh. Oh, okay, okay. Stand up now because cannot find the food. Okay. Use the feet. Like that. Good job. Good job, Ting Ting. Oh, oh, oh. He's driving. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, very good job. Oh, Ting Ting, he find the food. See? Where's Lizzie Bong? Get up! Ting Ting, get up! Get up to find the food inside. Ting Ting. Ting. Get up! This Lizzie Bong just lie down to find the food. Bye-bye, guys. Yan. So naughty. Ay, Lizzie Bong, should you stand up? Bye-bye. Hello, guys. Tinali ko dyan kasi naglinis ako ng tain niya. Dito na naman kami. Kaya, tinali ko muna dyan sa poste. Dito na naman kami maglakad. Okay? Yan, dito. Yan, dati. Every morning, we are here. Yeah. Every morning kami dito. Kaya tinali ko ito si Ting Ting kasi naglinis ako ng pupo niya. Ito yung pupo niya. Bye-bye, guys. Ting Ting. Bye-bye, guys. Guys, kain tayo. Pero yung aso ko, naninilip. Tignan nyo, naninilip habang kakain ako. Naninilip. Kain tayo, guys. Ang ulam ko ay chicken wing lang at saka ito. Yan lang ulam ko kasi ako lang naman mag-isa. Yan. Tapos, tuwing kakain ako may suka. Tapos ito yung aso ko, naninilip lagi. Saan ka? Oh, naninilip lagi. Oh, andyan lagi naninilip. Kasi gustong-gusto niyang kumain ng vegetable. Na. Lagi yan. Kain tayo, guys. After nilaro natin yung aso, kakain din tayo ng lunch. Dito sa Hong Kong, 12 something na. Kain tayo, guys. Ulam natin, chicken wing. Yan, naninilip yung aso ko. Very hot. Very hot. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Kain muna ako. Pagkatapos yung aso kumain din ng tita niya, kakain din ako. Bye-bye.